Welcome to Tech Research. If you have iPhone and you always missing, if you open here, any types of keyboard and number and alphabet is not showing in traditional iPhone, but now iPhone are introducing this feature inbuilt, no need to install third-party application. Look at this here in my mobile screen. Currently I am accessing here 120 number as well, entire keyboard. This is the by default keyboard available on iPhone. iPhone are introducing this feature first time. How you need to enable this one? It's very easy process. Now I just simply enter here iMessage. You should enter any message application like a WhatsApp and different types of messaging application and open the keyboard, and afterward you just simply select here in the emoji, press long, and here the keyboard you should enter here two way to enter in the keyboard using this process, or if you enter here in the settings section and search here keyboard, so you can enter via this process as well. One of the easiest way, you just simply press your long, then keyboard, you need to select here keyboard, so top of the screen you just simply tag here. So we need to add here one of the keyboard. Which keyboard you need to add here? Just simply add to keyboard. We need to add here one of the keyboard and type here VIN Vietnamese keyboard. If you tab here, and after clicking the Vietnamese keyboard here, you need to select here VNI. Just simply tab here and add the simply keyboard and go back. If you enter here and just simply press your emoji and select here the Vietnamese keyboard, and boom, here is a showing the 120 number as well as all types of keyboard is showing here. The function very easily showing. As you see here, the language already in English language, and afterward you can very easily enjoy this feature. If you don't like this keyboard, you can just simply press here, and which keyboard you like accordingly you should select. But this is one of the best and easiest way you should access all types of alphabets and numbers as well using this process, and this keyboard by default available on your iPhone. No need to install third-party application. Hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question related on iPhone, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.